log in into exam.net. Then go to teacher and then sign in with Microsoft. Then this page will come, and then you can create your exams over here. New exam. The title of your exam, the name of your exam, and then when you go here, then these are some exam questions from where you can drop in the exam questions, and then student information, like what all you want to ask about the student, like name, email, class, teacher's name, etc. And then student workspace, like you want the students to give an area to write, you want to give student area to write, or you want to spell check the corrections, like you want student to get the spelling correct, or scan handwriting solution with mobile phone. And then accessibility tools, allow translation, help, English synonyms, speech, etc. Give audio files for click tools. Security. So this is require high security mode, allow any browser but prefer high security mode, allow any browser.
So in this, what will be the help of security? Like if I take it for allow any security, what will
He won't be, the student won't be allowed to open any other browser except exam.net.
Okay. So in the first case, student will not be allowed to open any other browser except exam.net, right?
Yes.
And the second one?
And the second one, no, also in the second one, it's written high security mode will be suggested, but the student may also start the exam in any browser. You can see when monitoring this exam if the student is using the high security mode. And then the exam will open in any browser. So this is the thing. And then settings for lower security mode, if you want to do it. And then you
So is that in any like in laptop, in iPad, in any this thing, the exam will open?
Yes.
Okay, even on mobiles it will open.
I think so, yes.
Then
create the exam. I'll write the title.
is the same one, no? Earlier that came.
And
how will we send to the student?
We am telling that they'll come a code,
Okay.
exam code. So if you want to give this exam to the student, this will be the code. First you will tell the students to open exam.net, then you will give them the exam key, and then they will start doing the exam.
So this exam code means exam key. Okay.
So when a student will open this, I will show you. So students will enter exam key. So it's the same exam key which is over here.
So you can do copy paste from here.
Yes. So you need to give the exam key to the students so that the students can
try to copy paste from there. Let's see what comes next.
Nothing will come because
we are not creating exam, but still I want to see.
Acha. Preview exam. So this is the kind of thing a student will get.
And so the child can type in here.
Yeah, the child can type.
So how will I know at what time it will get over?
So the student will submit the exam, na?
Okay.
Okay, so and then let's suppose over here I open some other tab. So I can open it.
Okay.
So right now I'm doing the preview, that is why I'm able to open the other browser. But then if the student is doing this, so the student will not be able to open another tab or something. If the student tries to open, you will get a notification that the student is trying to open, and the student need to tell a reason why the student opened a new tab.
That's it. And then the student can submit.
Submit exam is here, submit exam.
And how will the teacher get?
The teacher will get it over here.
You have submitted this exam. Let me see, is it coming on the teacher's tab?
So I go to here, view exam. Okay, wait.
Okay. So I can view it here. Who has done the paper? Okay. Great. Thank you.